are present. Myself, Anis Sultana, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Management Studies, belongs to SNS College of Technology. And today, as a part of lecture series, we are going to see a topic under the subject that is derivatives and risk management. And this is the third semester elective course paper. And this elective comes under the specialization finance. And the subject name is derivatives and risk management, and the first topic of the subject, it is introduction to derivatives. So we know what is a derivation. So anything deriving derivation, which means see, for example, if we take mathematical calculations and see, like we can say as like integration calculus, which is we are bringing down the simplest formula, we are deriving to the some extent. Here derivation means we are converting our cash, for example we are converting our securities into the some form of investment. That is, we are like if we have, like for example if we have cash, so I can be used as a deposits, for example fixed deposits as savings, and now somehow I am going to take some amount of little risk, so that I am forwarding, I am for a future's point of view, I am investing some amount of whatever my savings, I am converting into some that is I can say it as commodities, unless or otherwise cash, I am converting something into the securities or commodities. So here we understand the meaning. If we understand the meaning, typically we can go through the types of derivatives, so that we will understand what is what which is relevant to this subject. Yes. See, so we are deriving, so stocks, bonds, commodities, that is what we have discussed. So we are deriving something. So this PPT we will discuss on the meaning, definition, and what are the types of derivatives we have. Okay. So so we have given common examples to understand the meaning of derivatives. So to read into the concise, precise definition, before going to the definition, we will understand the meaning of what is derivatives. So it is a product whose value is derived from the value of one or more basic variables called underlying asset. It may be a basis or index or reference rate. That is, we are calculating something, the value of anything, that is we will call it as asset, into the based on some assets. So it is calculated. Suppose I have money, I am investing in stocks, so I am valuing the so it is derived from the value of some shares or commodities in a contractual manner. So we are maintaining in this not in a normal terms and conditions, we are maintaining in a contractual manner. So now we have understood the meaning of derivatives. Now we will see what is the definition. So Securities Contracts Regulation Act of 1956 defines the derivatives to include a security derived from a debt instrument, either share, loan, whether the secured or unsecured, risk instrument and contract for differences, or any other form of security. So this is what the definition given by the Securities Contract Regulation Act. And we have one more definition, that is a contract which derives its value from the, whether it is from the prices or index of the prices of underlying securities. So here the prices, we mean the historical prices of stocks and shares. So the deriving, so we are deriving some value based on the underlying assets. This is called definition. Now with the meaning and definition, we have understood what is the derivatives, concept of derivatives, right? So what is an underlying asset? So from the last two slides we were discussing about what is underlying asset. So it can be equity or forex, that is foreign exchange services, commodity, or any other asset. So equity we mean share, equity shares or preference shares, and commodity, which means we, for example if you take gold, see gold, so value of the commodity, which means we have taken as a gold, if you have taken as a gold, so we are, if for example if you have 3 grams of gold, 4 grams of gold, so based on the quantity of the commodity, the price may vary. Okay. So now we will see what are the types of derivatives. So we have first we have to understanding the difference between derivatives in finance and equity derivatives. We have two kinds of things into the context. So derivatives in finance, which means we have four types. That is, one is futures, and second one is forwards, third one is options, and final is fourth one is swaps. So this is called derivatives in finance. Equity derivatives. So for example, if we have what are the equity derivatives? We have forwards and futures are classified under one category, where in derivatives and finance, futures and forwards are taken into two different aspects. So two different things. In equity derivatives, we have classifying under one category options, and here comes the warrants. So instead of forwards, we are seeing as a warrants and swaps. So this is all about the, today we have discussed about the introduction, the meaning and definition of derivatives and the types of derivatives. So next class, what are the types of derivatives, we will see one by one in the next class. Thank you for listening the video.